Hi, in this video we are going to discuss about Bessel equation. Before discussing about Bessel equation, I want to introduce a function called gamma function. Gamma function at p is equal to integral 0 to infinity t power p minus 1 e power t dt. Okay, if we substitute p is equal to 1, we get gamma 1 is equal to 1. Gamma at uh, 1 by 2 is root pi. We can find this using this integral. And we have another property, gamma at p plus 1 is equal to p into gamma at p. Okay, and this equation is known as Bessel equation: x squared y double derivative plus x y dash uh, plus x square minus p square into y. Okay, we substitute this in place of y to find the solution of this Bessel equation. Okay, if we substitute this y in this equation, then we get a power series, and if we equate coefficient of x power r is equal to 0, we get r is equal to plus or minus p. Okay, and by solving we can see that the odd terms of this a are 0, and even terms we get is like this. Okay, so we get the first solution by substituting r is equal to p, and the even coefficients are given here, and odd coefficients are not there. Okay, if we multiply with 1 by 2 power gamma 1 plus p, we can simplify this equation to this form: jp at x is equal to Jacobian function. This is called Jacobian function. It is x is equal to x by 2 power 2n plus p, and we have the coefficient like this in the simplified manner. This is one of the solution, and to find the second solution, we have three different cases. Actually, four different cases. That is, 2p is not an integer, and 2p is odd integer, 2p is even integer, and p is equal to 0. Okay. For 2p not integer and 2p is equal to odd integer, we use this second solution. For 2p is equal to even integer, we can use this second solution. And for p is equal to 0, we can use this solution. Okay, for first case, we get second solution as substituting r is equal to minus p in the Jacobian function. We get the second solution. Okay, and for 2p is equal to even integer, we get this second solution containing three terms. The first term is x power 2n minus p for n is equal to 0 to p minus 1. A limit is important, and the coefficients are 2 power n factorial, p minus 1 factorial. And for n greater than p, we get the summation like this. In this two terms, first term contains hn minus hp minus 1 plus hn minus p. Here hn means it is summation 1 plus 1 by 2 plus so on up to 1 by n. Okay, and we have the third term containing the log function. Okay, this is the second solution for the Bessel equation. And for p is equal to 0, the first solution is we can find using p, substituting p is equal to 0 in Jacobian function. And second solution is j0 ln x minus this series, in which coefficient is minus 1 power n hn by 2 power 2n n factorial whole square. Okay. We have some identities for the Jacobian function. These are known as Bessel identities. The first identity is derivative of x power n Jacobian p jp is equal to x power p jp minus 1. Okay. Derivative of x power minus p jp is equal to minus x power minus p jp plus 1. And similarly, we have j dash p plus p by x jp is equal to jp minus 1. Okay. And a similar identity here. And we here we get jp minus 1 minus jp plus 1 is equal to 2jp dash. Next, this we can, fifth equation we can get by adding 3 4. Okay, sixth equation we can get by subtracting these two, 3 and 4. And seventh is we can find that at a p is j 1 by 2 is equal to root 2 by pi x and into sin x. Okay, we can find j at minus 2. j at 3 by 2 and j at minus 3 by 2 can be found using this formula. Okay, we can find j at z plus 1 by 2 means for any integer we can find the values of Jacobian. These are only Bessel functions which are elementary functions. What is meant by elementary function means they are found by exponential, log, and trigonometrical functions and inverse trigonometric functions. Okay, for example, this is an elementary function. Okay, and we have another identity. Suppose integral x into jp lambda p comma k, here lambda p comma l. These two are zeros of Jacobian at jp. If k is equal to l, we have this value, and k is not equal to l, it is 0. This is similar to legendary polynomials. Okay, so we can write any function as sum of this Jacobian functions similar to legendary equation, legendary polynomials. Okay, we can find Cn through this integral. Okay, we have another theorem. For the solution of Bessel equation, we got a solution for Bessel equation. Okay, uh, we we want to estimate the location of roots for the Bessel solution. Okay, for p less than 1 by 2, for p less than 1 by 2, the roots of this, between any two roots of this, we have a root for our y. Okay, and the sequence of difference of the roots of the solution of a Bessel is increasing. The difference is increasing and it tends to pi. Okay, for p is equal to 1 by 2, we have difference between the roots as pi, and p greater than 1 by 2, the difference between any two roots of y, there is a root of this alpha cos x plus beta sin x, and the difference between the two roots is decreasing and tends to pi. Okay, that's it. Let's stop.